and draw the border line as we are doing. Okay, take your drawing book, draw the border line.
Ma'am, which page number?
No, bacha, this is your book. This book you need. Your plain drawing book, not craft book. Drawing book. Open the new page and you can draw the border line this way. The way we are doing from all the four sides. Okay, draw the border line.
मैम क्या करना है?
Yes, बच्चा.
क्या करना है?
You have to take your drawing book and draw the border line. Whose microphone is on? Please mute your microphone.
Ma'am, which color?
The paper, I'll tell you what you have to do with the paper. Just first of all, draw the border line. First of all, draw the border line. Then I'll tell you what you have to do with it.
Okay. What to write?
What to write? Write down flower making. Flower.
Ma'am,
Yes.
कौन सा कलर करना है?
किसमें कौन सा कलर करना है? किसमें कौन सा कलर करना है?
बॉर्डर में.
बॉर्डर में कलर नहीं करना, बॉर्डर में सिर्फ लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है. Okay, you have to draw the border line. Then you have to write down the date and the topic. You will write flower. Okay, you just write flower. Don't write anything else. Just write flower.
Flowers.
Yes, flowers. Very good. Sorry, Vedika. Very good. So write down only flower. Write down this heading. Write down the date and the topic. You will write flower. Yes, very good, Vedika.
Thank you, ma'am.
After drawing the border line, write down the date and the topic. You will write flower.
Ma'am, done.
Done? Okay. Now, as I told you, you can take any two color craft paper. So with the help of your mama or you with the help of the scale also you can cut it. So you have to cut the shape like a pot. I have took this two color. You can take any color. If you want to take same color paper, then also fine. No issue with that. Also fine. Yeah, Vedika, don't cut it by yourself. It is difficult. You will not cut it by yourself. Take a help of anyone.
Okay.
Like a shape of a pot. Any two. You can take two different colors or you can take same colors. It's up to you. If you have a A4 size paper, then you can take same.
Pink.
You can do anything. Like you can take same color paper if you want. If you don't have, if your paper is A4 size paper, then you can take the same color. It's very easy how to cut it. Shall I show you how to cut it? You have to draw this like this and then you can cut it. Two slanting line and one slipping line. Then your pot should be in a perfect way. Wait, I'll show you once again how you can cut it.
Ma'am, please show it again.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Just a minute. This is the way you can draw and you can cut. Okay? Then the
Okay,
shape
ma'am.
will come like this. Two
Okay.
slanting line and one slipping line. That's it. Two slanting line and one slipping line. Small slipping line. Very good, Danish. Yes. Good. Perfect, Ayansh. Perfect. Nice. But I can see, Ayansh, it is your triangle. Show me once again. Okay, no. Perfect. Perfect. Good. Yes, Hime, it is perfect, bacha. You have to keep it like this. It's easy. Two slanting line and one slipping line. Then you can cut it. Perfect, Khanak. I can see yours also. Khanak, Vedika. Yes, Laksh. Correct. It is correct. Khanak. Perfect, Shivin. It is correct. Arab, Paki, show me yours. Nivan, show me yours. Prayag. Shlok, bacha, are you able to do? Yes, yes. Perfect, Shlok. Perfect. It is perfect. If everybody is done with this, then we can stick the paper in the notebook. I mean, in
Ma'am,
the
I don't done.
You have not cut it. You have cut it now in front of me. Only you have done it.
I cut it only pink.
Okay, you want to cut it to different? If you can cut it the same one also, that's fine. Okay. Everyone, if you are done, then you have to stick the two pot into your drawing book. Okay. You have to stick it. I'm also sticking, but I can show you. Okay. This is the way you can stick it. Yes, Laksh. Bacha, mute your microphone now. See, like this. Yes, Shivin. Perfect. Perfect. Good. Everybody, if you are done this much, then let me know, huh? Stick it into your notebook.
Ma'am, notebook या drawing book?
I mean, sorry, bacha. I'm so sorry. It is drawing book. Yes, Hriday, Danish, I can see your pot.
Ma'am, see like it.
Baki, very nice. The two pots color is very nice, actually. Very good. Yes, Shlok. Yes. Shlok, it is perfect, bacha. Perfect. Even I can see Khanak, I can see Vedika. Good, Vedika and Khanak, both of you, perfect. Prayag, perfect. Nice. Good. Arav, Yanvi, please show me yours. Nivan, Het, you can show me yours also. Shri, yes, Arav, I can see one pot. You need to stick two pot.
मैं दूसरा बना रहा हूँ.
Okay, no problem. Whose microphone is on, class? Please mute your microphone.
Ma'am,
हाँ बच्चा.
part.
Very nice, Yanvi. Perfect. Shall we move to the next step? If everybody is done, anybody is left, just please continue.
No, ma'am.
You
Can
have
we
to
start?
stick with bacha. Okay, Khanak, I can see your book, bacha. Very good. Nice. Pink and yellow, I can see. Himay, I can see your dark pink and light pink. Very good combination, huh? Laksh, very nice. Peach and orange, good. Nivan, I can see your one pot. I think so too. Ayash, I can see yours also, bacha. Perfect. So I think so everybody is done sticking the pot. Right? Kia, bacha, I can't see yours. Still your camera is not working? Yes, Nivan? Okay, now I can see red and orange. Perfect, Nivan. Now what you have to do, it is very easy. We are going to do the impression of this fork, okay? You have to take any two watercolors because you have stick the pot in your according to your like different color. So आप कोई भी दो watercolor choose करेंगे, whatever you like. See with the combination, okay? I am taking blue and red, okay? I am taking blue and red color. You can take any two color. Yes, Arab, I saw it, bacha. Red and yellow, I saw it.
Yellow and pink. Can I take yellow and pink?
Yes, yes, of course you can take. Okay, so you have to take the watercolor and you have to do it like you have to make it here. Wait, I'll show you. Take the watercolor and color it here on the spoon. And then
Man, yellow, blue.
हाँ बच्चा, आप येलो ब्लू ले सकते हो. मैंने रेड एंड ब्लू लिया है. So I am taking with the yellow pot. Then you have to put it in pressure over here. Okay, 3 times. Can you see here? Like this. Okay. This is the way you will do 3 times. Okay, once again I'll show you. Just a minute, huh? Okay, now it is perfect. Wait, I'll show you once again. This is the way you have to do it. Color the spoon, fork.
Ma'am, see?
And just a minute. Yes, perfect. थोड़ा सा नीचे यहाँ पे भी लगाओ लक्ष्य. So it will be proper. Then third time, second time, and third time. Once again, the third time also you have to do.
Ma'am,
Yes, बच्चा.
दोनों में पिंक और ब्लू में दोनों में 3
हाँ, yes, दोनों में 3 दोनों में 3. Whose microphone is on? Okay, this is the way you have to do. 1 pot, 3 flower. 1 pot, 3 flower. Okay. Please mute your microphone, Laksh, bacha. Be calm. This is the way you have to do. Okay. Do it in a nice way. It is easier. Slowly do, huh? Don't be in hurry. Okay, it is just you have to press the spoon. कलर लगाना है स्पून पे. यू हैव टू color the spoon and then you have to do the impression. 3 flower.
4.
Very good, Laksh. Very good. Nice. I can see. हाँ बच्चा, एक ही मिनट दिखाती हूँ. हाँ मैं, just give me a minute. हाँ बच्चा. See.
Ma'am.
हाँ बच्चा. Very good, Ayansh. Very nice. Very nice. Perfect. You can use it in a different way. We are making it flower pot here. I mean flower. You can make any different. Yes, Khana, nice. Perfect. Very nice. Arav, you have to exchange the color. Color exchange कर देना चाहिए था, तो ज़्यादा better लगता. Red पे yellow और yellow पे red. But that's fine. It's okay. Good. It is very nice. Beautiful. Now I'm taking the next color. Okay, I'm taking blue now. This side of the spoon.
Ma'am.
Yes, बच्चा.
मैंने भी blue लिया.
Very good. Inchy pinchy. Okay, the back side of the spoon you have to do this much. थोड़ा ऊपर तक आपको करना है, यहाँ तक. Very good, Yanvi. Very nice. Perfect. Now I'm making the 3 flower with the red pot. Okay.
मैम सेम ही बनाना है ऐसा?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
done.
दोनों colors अलग लेने. Both the pot you have to take different color. Yes, ही मैं बच्चा. I can see yellow and blue. Very good. Nice.
Ma'am.
मैम
Yes.
Ma'am.
Perfect. Very well done. Good. It is beautiful. Vedika, even yours is also very beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Beautiful.
Ma'am, done.
बाकी perfect बच्चा.
बाद में करें वो सब. यही तुमको तुम्हारे साथ प्रॉब्लम क्या वेदिका तुमको
Ma'am, like this is just correct.
ये लाना
Okay. Class, listen to me. Listen to me. Mute your microphone. Everyone, I can see your book. Shlok, very nice. Even Hriday, Paki, Shiven, perfect. Vedika, Nivan, everybody I saw it. Even Ayansh, yours also very nice. Very nice. Perfect, huh? Beautiful. Prayag, even yours is also very beautiful, bacha.
Look at mine, ma'am. Ma'am, see.
Very nice, Khanag. It is beautiful.
See. Ma'am, see.
Laksh. Yes, Laksh. It is nice, bacha. Nice, perfect.
Ma'am, stamp बनाना है.
हाँ, stamp बनाना है. You can use crayon if you want, or you can use watercolor if you can use it perfectly. Then you can make a line. Stamp.
Ma'am, brown करना है.
नहीं बच्चा, green करना है, brown नहीं करना. Stamp brown कलर का होता है.
Ma'am, but मैंने तो flower ही green कर दिया.
Then you can take dark green. Take dark green.
Okay, ma'am. I make dark green. I have light green.
Then you can take it opposite one. Shiven, perfect, bacha. Perfect, Shiven. Nice. Now you have to make the stem. Either you can use crayon to put the lines, or if you are comfortable with watercolor, then you can take watercolor. But be careful if you are taking watercolor. Very nice, Ara. Very nice. Beautiful. Just a minute, huh, class? So it will look like this. Now यहाँ से आपको line draw करनी है. यहाँ से ऐसे 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. Either you can do it with the watercolor, and if you don't want to do with watercolor, you can do it with the crayon. Okay, green color crayon. You have to take compulsory green, either light green or dark green. Okay, you can take any of them.
Can I use sketch pen?
Okay, you want to use sketch pen? You can use sketch pen, no problem. But do it in a nice way, okay, Hriday? Arey wow, very nice, Pakhi. See, Pakhi has done. Pakhi has made the leaves also. Very good. Very good, Pakhi. Beautiful. Yes, Nivan, perfect. Perfect, Nivan.
I'm done.
Done? Very good, Hriday. Nice. It is nice.
I'm done.
Wow, Ayansh and Shivan, I can't see yours. Who was? Ayansh is done? Ayansh, very nice. It is beautiful.
Yes.
Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
मैम ये स्टेम
I'm
स्केच पे
done.
कर सकते हैं.
Yes, ma'am. You can draw the line or you can draw the leaves also. The way you will feel comfortable. Prayag, very nice. Very nice, Prayag. You can draw the lines if you want. If you don't want to draw leaves, then also it's fine. It's up to you.
ma'am.
Very nice. Shlok, very nice. You can draw in your way the leaves and the stem.
I'm done.
Very good, Shiven. Very nice. Shiven, very nice. Hime, perfect. Well done. Good. Nivan, yours is also nice, bacha.
Nancy. Nancy.
Kia, you are done, but bacha, I can't see you. I think your camera is still not working.
Ma'am.
Yes, bacha.
बैठ दूंगी.
Okay. Vedika, perfect. Perfect, Vedika. Beautiful.
ये नहीं लूँ मैं.
No, Kiyu.
Ma'am.
Yes, Yanvi, perfect. Very nice, bacha. Beautiful.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Huh? Vedika, yours is also very nice. Beautiful. I think so. Everybody is done. Yeah. Shri, what about you?
Ma'am.
Hmm?
Can I make with pencil a flower in the pot? Can I make in pot in middle flower?
No, not now. Not now. You can do it afterwards. Now, everyone, show me your book nearby the camera. Everyone. Show me the book nearby the camera. I want everyone. Shlok, Hriday, Danish, Het, Laksh.
Just a minute.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you. Nice. Very nice. You
Welcome.
too, na, everyone.
Flowers. Then I do flower, ma'am. Can I leave now? Ma'am, can I leave?
Sorry, my network was slow. Okay, here we are done with the our art and craft class. Okay, see you in the next class. Khanak, very nice, bacha. It is very nice, beautiful, perfect.
मैम जनरल में क्या करना? बाय.
गणित में आपको 3 सर्कल्स कट करके Yes, Khanak, very nice. Khanak, wait a minute. Khanak, just show me once again, Khanak.
Ma'am, see.
Okay, Khanak, thank you.
Wow, कितना मस्त बनाना चाहिए.
Very nice. Perfect. Bye bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.